Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today we're going to be unboxing some equipment that is available for students to check out at the University of Waterloo's Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony 55-210mm F4.5-6.3 lens with optical steady shot for APS-C mirrorless cameras. So let's take a look. So this is an E-mount lens, meaning it's going to work on any E-mount camera. So you'll probably want to check this lens out with one of our Sony A6500 cameras. Sony went for a very minimalistic design with this one. As you can see, the only physical controls on the actual lens are the focus and the zoom rings. You'll find controls like the autofocus switch or the image stabilization switch within the camera body rather than on the lens. This lens has some really great reviews about its ability to render really fine details like textures or even small strands of hair, as long as there's lots of light in the area. You're going to see the most impressive results if you shoot at f8 or wider, especially at the 55mm focal length. This is a great lens to use, especially if you're taking pictures in bright daylight. If you're shooting in more variable lighting, you might want to take out our Sony FE 70-200mm lens instead. But overall, this lens is going to give you some great range, and it's going to give you that extra reach that you're looking for when you can't get too close to your subject. But there you have it, the Sony E 55-210mm F4.5-6.3 lens with optical steady shot for APS-C mirrorless cameras. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to drop a question or a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to come check out this lens for yourself at the Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business.